So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can set the English language on Duolingo app. Basically Duolingo app is popular for the language lesson. So simply open the Duolingo app and here you have to click on the get started. So if you have already an account, so simply you can do also. On my case, I'm selecting on this get started option. Continue. Okay, it says the 6th question before we start your first lesson. So simply click on this continue. And here you will have to find the option like English. So it's now intermediate English. So simply click on this English option and go for the continue. So simply this is general feedback. So I will click on normal. So you have to confirm how much English do you know. So I will choose I can have basic conversation. So simply click on this continue. So again it's asking a question that why are you learning English? So I will check any option from here. So I will choose support my English, connect with people and simply click on this continue option. Okay, now it's telling that let's set up our learning routine. So simply again click on this continue. Okay, so again we have to choose one option. So I will choose 10 minutes per day. So I'm clicking on this I'm committed section. So simply click on this option. Okay, it's saying that 50 hours in your first week. So simply again click on this continue button. Okay, so now we are in the end. So simply again click on this continue button. Okay, now Duolingo start the 2-minute session for my English practice. So simply click on this continue section. So likewise, you can also learn English from the Duolingo app. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.